Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Burbank, local and long distance movers near me. Our professional movers will do a fantastic job to provide the best long distance move you can get. Generally, there are a lot of concerns when moving long distances or distances of over 50 miles from your old location. You may worry about things like how to get your furniture, appliances, and clothing over such long distances. Also, the condition of your items when they get to you is a concern. The 3 Movers is readily available to squash those worries. We work with you to create a well-structured moving plan. Our movers are highly trained, and they're also careful to give the necessary attention to your belongings. They are also very organized and do not mix up your items. Your belongings are correctly sorted and are also carefully arranged in our moving trucks. Our trucks are also the best quality. They are specially designed to accommodate your belongings, from weighty objects to light ones. Your items are safe in our trucks. Our insurance policy also covers risks. Our drivers are experts. They have licenses and follow every rule regarding the highways. You don't have to worry about delays or damages to your home items. Our long-distance service is top-notch. We also are the perfect option for your local move. We follow a moving schedule that is the most suitable for our clients. One of the best qualities is that we give a lot of value at low prices. Our hourly rate is affordable, around $30 to $40. Our competent team, standard equipment, and professional conduct make us the favorite of the locals. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Burbank moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.